So guys, you want to go to any web browser and then search for NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to download NVIDIA app. Or you could just go to the link which will be down below in the description. Now once we're here, you want to find NVIDIA app, click on download. It's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to click on it. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing the NVIDIA app. Once this comes up, you want to agree to the terms. It's going to start installing. Wait for this to load. It should then launch automatically. And you should be seeing the NVIDIA app icon on your desktop. You want to choose your preferred driver. So if you're a gamer, you can go with the Game Ready driver. If you're a creator, you can go with the NVIDIA Studio driver. And then click on next. You can optimize your games and creative applications. For me, I just turn this off because I like to do it myself. And then click on next. You can enable the NVIDIA overlay so you can record. I'm going to disable it because I record with OBS, but you can enable it if you want to. Click on next. And you can create an account or sign into one so you can redeem some rewards. I'm just going to skip it though. And we're now here. If you want to update your graphics card driver, then go to the driver tab and then click on check for updates. If you have any graphics card driver updates, it will tell you and you can then download them.